finally got the time to go to my mom's house to check out my bike. Here it is. Bike right here. Start off from the front. This thing is bent. Probably might be fixable. Front fender. Needs a new master cylinder. You can see right there. That shit's cracked, so I need a new master cylinder. Need a new throttle assembly. Radiator's busted. Got frame damage right there. Dent from the handlebars going down. Dent right here. Wires are cut. I got a dent right there in the tank. This isn't deep at all. It's just a paint rash. Nothing major, nothing deep. Got a rash right there. Small scratch right there. I'm about to start taking it apart and get to fixing it. Alright guys. About to pick up my ride. Back on two wheels.